when this happened to me. I didn't get any bigger. I didn't throw any faster. I didn't get any better technically as a baseball player, but I did change one thing, and it made all the difference from that moment on. And we're going to get to that. But I kind of want to lead into that by giving my timeline of playing, because I think you guys could probably relate to that. Because when I started out playing, I started here in Florida. My family moved from New Jersey down here when I was about 4 years old. And my mother was looking for something to get me into, and that just happened to be T-ball. So I started playing T-ball down here and had a lot of fun with it. So I decided to keep playing. And one rule my mother had when she signed me up for T-ball or any sport was, once you sign up and you start, you can't quit. You can't stop halfway through the year. You got to finish the season, and then next season, if you don't want to play, we can talk about it then. But what happened was, we never talked about it next season. She would just sign me up, and then I was playing baseball again, and I wasn't allowed to quit. So I just kept playing and kept playing and kept playing. So I went from T-ball to Little League, and then into high school baseball. Now, travel baseball back then wasn't as big as it is now, at least from my perspective. Maybe I just wasn't good enough. I never got invited to any of this stuff. So maybe it was, I just never got invited. But we did play travel baseball in high school. I ended up playing for a scout team, played with a lot of great guys who ended up getting drafted. And I always thought that I was going to get drafted. In fact, in the 7th grade, which I think is probably around your guys' age, 7th grade is maybe 12 years old or so, and I went on a cruise with my family. And I remember the grown-ups asking, what do you want to do when you get older? To all the youngsters that went on the cruise. And I said I wanted to be a professional baseball player or a professional basketball player. And I remember a cousin of mine and an uncle of mine saying, come on, why don't you write something realistic? Why don't you write something that you can look back on and say, oh, you know what, I always wanted to do that. I said, I am. That's what I want to do. I want to play professional baseball, professional basketball. Well, when I got to high school, I realized professional basketball was out of the equation. Scoring 2 points a game, that's not even going to get you into college. So that was out the window. But I still had my dream of playing professional baseball. And so that's what I did. I played baseball all the way through high school. And then, when I was going to college, I knew college was the next step. In fact, I thought I was going to get drafted out of high school. I was big. I was always this big. And in fact, I haven't grown this way since the 7th grade. I grew this way. But, I was always a big kid. I always threw fast. So, I thought I was going to get drafted. I hit 90 miles an hour as a senior in high school. So I thought I did it. That was the magic number. All right? I was waiting for the phone call on draft day. But it never came. And at the time, I didn't have a place to play in college. So I was kind of out of luck. Luckily, after my senior season, I played in an all-star game, a high school all-star game. I pitched an inning. There was a college coach there, Seminole Community College, and he liked what he saw. And he asked me to go to his showcase, his tryout the next week. My friend was a shortstop, and I ended up not going. I skipped it. I told my friend I had to work, and I couldn't go. And the coach called me the week after and said, what happened? Why didn't you come to the showcase, the trial? I told him I had to work. He said, listen, I really like what I saw at the game. I want to offer you a full scholarship. And I told him, okay, cool, let me think about it. I'll call you back. So I hang up the phone, and I told my mother, I said, I think I just got a full scholarship. She said, you better call that man back right now and tell him you're going to school. I said, okay. So I ended up going to Seminole Community College. I almost blew that. So I played there. We had a good team. We ended up going to Junior College World Series. And then I went to the All-Star game for the junior college team. And I actually wasn't even good enough to pitch in the game. They just let me go as honorable mention, and I got to throw a bullpen. That was my reward for almost being an all-star. So I'm out there throwing my bullpen. Nobody's there watching, because off to the side, I didn't even have to throw, I guess, if I didn't want to. But I saw a guy walking by. And as I was going to pitch, he started pulling out his radar gun. And mid-windup, I just decided, I'm going to throw this ball as absolutely hard as I can. I don't care where it goes. And I did that. And I must have threw it fast because I saw his eyes light up. And in fact, I missed the catcher, missed the whole backstop. It was probably 12 foot by 12 foot. Totally missed it. Almost hit the guy with the radar gun. But again, it must have been a fast pitch because after that, he stopped, watched the rest of the bullpen, and got me on the gun. Turns out that was the Auburn University coach, and he ended up recruiting me, and that's where I ended up going for my second 2 years of college. So both of those situations were just being at the right place in the right time. And, you know, me, I almost blew both of those situations. You know, looking back, I would have done things a little bit differently. But just understand that being in the right place at the right time is a huge reason why you're going to have some of these opportunities. That's your opportunity, right? When you're in the right place at the right time, you can capitalize on that opportunity. That's how you move forward.
Yes.
So don't stress out if you're not where you want to be just yet. I know you guys got a long road ahead of you, but I say this because I know you guys aspire to be college baseball players, professional baseball players, and so on. So when I got to Auburn, my first year, my junior year as a pitcher, I was horrible. These guys were the best in the country. It's Division I, in the SEC, the best conference in the country, in my opinion. And there were some studs who were pitching. And I just remember feeling like I was out of my league, like I was playing against guys that I shouldn't have been playing against. And I had that feeling. It was a very heavy feeling. It was like a weight. And I always played with fear. I always played with the fear of failure. And playing not to fail versus playing to succeed. And there's a huge difference in that. And I played that way my whole junior year at Auburn and had the worst year of my life. It was horrible. Walked so many guys, gave up so many hits. I was probably the worst pitcher on the team. I didn't even pitch much, but I was the worst pitcher on the team. But then my senior year, I had this realization that this is it. This may be the last season I ever played in baseball. Because, you know, I thought I was going to get drafted every year. I thought I was going to get drafted after high school. Didn't happen. Thought I was going to get drafted after both years of JUCO. Didn't happen. You know, I knew I wasn't going to get drafted after my junior year because that was a horrible showing. But I thought this may be the last baseball season that I've ever played in my life. And I remember we used to do PFPs, which is, you guys know, pitchers fielding practice. And I would be out there and I would field the ball, and when I would go to throw it to first base, I felt that fear and that heaviness in every throw. I'd be afraid to mess up the ground ball. I'd be afraid to make that throw. I just had this feeling. And in the games, it was even worse. The pressure was multiplied because now you feel the weight of the situation, and you feel thousands of eyeballs on you. Even if there's only 20 people in the stands, you feel like there's 1,000 people watching, and it's just like you cannot perform. And I remember taking that ground ball in practice, fielding it, and airmailing it. And I didn't even come close to the first baseman. And I said, you know what? This is my last season ever, possibly. I don't ever want to feel that way again. I don't ever have that feeling in my body. I just want to have the full conviction in everything that I do. So it was a decision. That's the one thing that I was talking about in the beginning of this. The one thing that made the biggest difference in my career is making the decision to never feel that way again. And it starts with a decision. You have to want to not feel that way. And I'm sure all of you guys have felt that way at one time or another. It's a big part of the game, performing under pressure, right? So once I made the decision that I didn't want to feel that way again, then I could attack the way of how I'm not going to do that. Because it's not an easy thing to do, right? When you get to those situations, I'm sure some of you guys I've been in those situations many times this year already. When you're in a big game, maybe a tie game, you're up to bat, you're the last batter, or maybe you're the pitcher, you got a guy on third base, you can't let that run get in, you know? You feel that, right? But when you can learn to take that energy, because that's what it is, an energy that you feel, and use it to help you, you're going to be so much of a better player. Again, like I said in the beginning of this, nothing changed physically. At the time, I think I was throwing 94 miles an hour. I threw the same thing my senior year. I didn't gain 4 or 5 miles an hour. Nothing changed physically. I was the same size. I was the same exact person. The only thing that changed was I decided to learn how to use that energy to my benefit. And what happened my senior year? I had the best year of my life. I set all kinds of national records. I pitched the most on the team. I pitched the most in the country. I led the country in appearances. I think we played 56 games, and I pitched in 50 of them. Threw 85 relief innings, led the nation in ERA. I just have a lights out year. And I give it all to deciding on learning how to use that energy in those situations. So that sounds easy, right? It's not very easy. But I had the opportunity of meeting a sports psychologist along the years. Great guy, smart guy, worked for a bunch of major league teams. And he taught me the ABCs of baseball, Dr. Tom Hanson. And the ABCs of baseball, and I want you guys to remember this because it's easy to remember. And this is a huge way. After you make a decision, huge way to make that happen. And the ABCs of baseball are to act big, okay, breathe big, B, and commit big, which is C. So how does that work? Well, think about when you're in that situation. You're about to get up, you're the last guy to bat, you just feel all the weight, all the pressure from everything, right? And you start to shrink. You actually start to, your shoulders go down, you're like, oh man, I don't know if I can do this. You know, and you start to feel that pressure, right? Instead of doing that, you need to act big, stand up tall, stick your chest out, stick your chin up, right? That's acting big. Because your mind doesn't know the difference. It's going to feed off of what your body's doing. So if you're walking around like this, oh boy, your mind's going, oh shoot, we're in a bad situation. If you're walking around like this, chest out, chin up, strutting around, your mind's going to go, all right, we're good, we're good. So you're kind of tricking your mind into telling yourself it's not a stressful situation, right? So that's acting big. Standing tall, chest up, chin up, being big. Act big. The second one is breathe big, right? So we want to breathe deep. What happens when we get to these situations? You start getting tight and feeling that pressure because we start breathing faster, breathing more shallow, right? So you might find yourself like, almost like you're trying to catch your breath, right? So slow it down, act big, start breathing real deep into your belly. How many guys watch? How many hitters, when they get to the box, you see them dig in, and before they step in, they go, a lot of them, right? Yeah, whether they doing it on purpose or they're just doing it naturally, it helps. They're doing it because it helps. So breathing big is huge. Again, you're slowing down your heart rate. You ever feel like your heart's going 1,000 miles an hour, the game's going 1,000 miles an hour? If you ever hear a coach say, you gotta slow the game down, breathing is the way to slow the game down. Deep breaths, slow your heart down. That's how you breathe big. C is to commit big. And committing big is just having the confidence and conviction to do what you're trying to do out there. So once you get in there, you're acting big, you're breathing big, you have to tell yourself, you have to talk to yourself in your head and tell yourself, you can do this, right? So instead of being that guy who's like this, oh man, I don't know, I feel the pressure, I don't know if I can do this. Instead of that, acting big, breathing big, you're walking up there going, I got this, we're about to win this game. You know, that's a difference. You have to talk to yourself that way when you're going up there. And guess what? You're going to have to lie to yourself at first. And it's okay. Because you may still feel like oh man, this guy's blowing gas, I don't know, I might strike out right here. But when you start to lie to yourself, start to tell yourself that, you're gonna have more positive experiences. So you might get that hit right there. You might have some success right there. And when you do, you're gonna build some confidence. Then you're gonna start to believe it. Next time you get in that situation, it's gonna be so much easier. You're gonna be like, I've been here before, this is what I do. I hit walk-offs. I'm Mr. Walk-Off. Now, you're a totally different player than you just were, right? This guy, oh man, I don't know. Versus, here we go, I got this. I'm the game winner, right? Totally different player. And that's the one thing that I changed to make all the difference. Deciding to never feel that way. Take that energy and use it. ABCs are one way to do it. You guys could find your own way, whatever it is. But once you learn how to use that energy in those situations and have success with it, that's when you're going to take your game to a next level. Because you're going to play so much more freely. It's going to be fun again. It's starting to be fun for me again. It was a game again. Baseball is a game, but we take it far too seriously sometimes, right? It's like, if we lose, that's the end of the world. It doesn't have to be that way. It could be fun again. And it was fun for me again after that. So that was my senior year. I dominated the FCC. I don't know, just from that one decision, nothing else changed. And ended up getting drafted finally. Like I said, I thought I was going to get drafted all these other times. Nothing ever happened, but finally my senior year I was drafted. Ended up playing 6 years in professional baseball and had great success. And there were times in professional baseball where I felt this again. It comes, it happens from time to time. So you have to have a system or a routine to kind of check yourself and get back to that good state, okay? There's one other thing I want to talk about which can help you with that in the future. And this is what I used in professional baseball that helped me. The 3 S's, okay? The 3 S's are strategy, story, and state. Strategy is what most of us baseball players look at. Like, oh, it didn't work, I gotta change my strategy. Oh, that didn't work, let me change the strategy. Oh, that didn't work, let me change the strategy. But truth be told, strategy is the easiest one of the 3. We pretty much know what we have to do to have success on the baseball field, right? We gotta get our work in, we gotta have hard work, we gotta have good work, smart work. And if we do that, we're gonna, get better. It's not that hard. But we end up focusing on strategy a little too much. It's the other 2 S's that are really important. Story and statement. Story, I think, is where a lot of us fail, or a lot of us have trouble as competitive athletes. And story is the story that you tell yourself and you tell other people. And you maybe lie to yourself, or not being fair, or be so far on the negative end of the spectrum that you're not being fair to yourself. And your story is, again, what you tell yourself. So you may be saying, you know what, I'm here at the S30, but maybe I shouldn't be. Maybe I can't play with these guys. I don't know if I can. Do I have the potential to play college baseball, pro baseball? Or for me in pro baseball, I might say, I'm kind of out of my league. I just had one good year, my senior year. I shouldn't be here. I'm out of my league. And that was my story for a little bit. So you have to change that if you want to have future success. But looking back, I would say, you know what? No, I do deserve to be here. I am the man, right? I can do this. I have done it before. But it's all what you tell yourself in your head. So you have to listen to your story and make sure the voice in your head is telling you a good story. Because that's your story, okay? So make sure your story lines up with your goal. If it doesn't, you're going to be fighting against yourself. Change your story. You can change your story. State. State is just a state of mind and a state of energy. We talked about state of energy before, taking that energy of pressure situations and turning it to good energy. You can do that before the game. Before you even get into a pressure situation, you need to get yourself into a good state of energy, a good state of mind. And there's a few things you can do with that. Eating good. If you're staying up too late and you got a game the next morning, obviously that's not going to help you in your game. You can eat good. Food is going to give you good energy. You can get your mind ready. It's not just about your physical energy, but your mind. Visualize success. I used to lay in bed at night and visualize the team we were playing the next day and visualize the success that I was going to have that next day. So I would already pitch that game the night before. So when I got in to the game the next day, I was like, I already struck these guys out last night. So I felt confident already. I didn't even throw a ball yet. So that's another way you can get your mind, your state of mind, your state of energy into the game. So remember that, guys. Make the decision, if you want to, make the decision to learn how to take that pressure situation and turn it into good energy so that you can use it and have success on the baseball field. Because I know there's a lot of you guys out there who feel this. Because I felt that my whole career since my senior year. I wish I would have learned it earlier. I wish I would have learned it at 9 to 12 years old. Maybe I would have got drafted out of high school instead of after college. So take that, make the decision. Remember the ABCs. Act big, breathe big, and commit big. Confidence is so important. Conviction is so important. And then, remember the 3 S's. Get your right strategy, change your story if you need to, and make sure you always get into the right state of mind and the right state of energy when you start to play. I hope that makes sense to you guys. I hope that helps, that some of you guys, if only a couple of you guys take that and use it and see a big difference from that, then I'm happy. Good luck this week, guys. I hope to see you guys out there. And if you see me out there, if you have any questions, just come on up and I'd be happy to talk to you guys. Thank you so much.